Hi, I'm Thomas Hong, Project Manager for Sekisui House, here with the latest construction update for Willow, our third stage at Sanctuary Wentworth Point. Willow consists of 4 buildings within the Sanctuary Master Plan, complemented by communal facilities and a lagoon-style podium pool. I'm pleased to share that final structure, facade and internal works are moving at pace across all buildings, and the project is tracking strongly towards completion. As of today, all buildings have officially topped out. The jump form has been removed and the building's final form has taken shape. Scaffolding across all buildings has been stripped to ground floor, a strong indicator of external facade works nearing completion. The podium pool structure is well underway, with 90% of the structure complete, as our contractors continue to work on this signature wellness amenity. Trades are moving steadily through each building, with strong progress across interiors and common spaces. Internal wall sheeting and painting works are advancing quickly, now up to level 22 in Building H and fully completed in Buildings I and J. Joinery installation is tracking well, now completed to level 19 in Building H and fully installed in the other buildings, with cabinetry, kitchens and storage elements now taking shape. Tiling works continue across residences and common areas, with Buildings I and J now complete and H to follow early in the new year. With the structure now largely complete and internal finishing trades well advanced, the Willow precinct is rapidly transforming from a construction site into a future community. In other exciting news, our prototype apartment, showcasing the meticulous design and stunning finishes, will be ready for viewings in January. Contact one of our sales representatives to book an appointment. We look forward to sharing further updates as Willow continues to progress. From all of us here at Sanctuary and Sekisui House, we wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.